Yes. I finally finished eating. Dude, this happens so often where I'm thinking like, oh, well, I could start like an hour early or something. So then I just start doing random shit. And then right before stream, I realize, oh, I have not eaten anything, and I'm really fucking hungry. So it's like, nice. How do I keep doing it? Over and over. But yeah. So, macaroni and mincemeat. Nothing special. Just food. Here we go. Here's the classic loop. Oh shit. Last time I had the GitHub desktop block everything for a moment. It's interesting. The text is so small right there. It's just in the middle somewhere. But yeah, today is gonna be text rendering. I already have most of the stuff built for it, like the boilerplate is out of the way. I just have to steal code from a previous iteration of the project. And yeah, and just implement it. Fun stuff. Fun, fun, fun. We go here. Do you have sed open? But okay, I have some random file on it. Oh, I had caps lock on. What else do we need? We need shader. Oh yeah, we need the UI shader. Yeah, what do we have? There we go. I'm just being a nerd doing this by the command line. Lol. And then I need something from a previous project. And I already copied the shader part. This is just normal, like, shader shenanigans where we take triangle vertices and render the texture that's on it. And this originates from the WGPU tutorial. And if you are looking to learn WGPU, just check out this. This is the best fucking thing that I've found. It's really good. I've not gone through the entire thing. When I got to the point where I could write a fragment shader, I just started doing stuff on my own. But this is a really good resource. Let me think. With these open, oh yeah, I should probably show the current state. There we go. And we have the game, and you can see there's a suspicious triangle on this screen. And this is basically our cursor, right? I just render a random triangle. This is just to confirm that I can do 2 render passes, where the first render pass is just the voxels with ray tracing, and then the second render pass is triangles, right? And it works. So now I just have to take this fucking thing and just render text on the screen. Very cool, very cool. And yep, I'm thinking I might do a meme where the text is transparent. Or like not, like the background of the text isn't like opaque. That's what I mean. But I also might just keep it like this. We'll see. But right now I will do a meme where I get rid of my plate because I just finished eating and my plate is still on my table. So I'll be right back. Right. I didn't even forget the giant BRB text on the screen. Awesome. Very cool. Also, I have to fucking bring this up on stream. This is like this is something I saw recently that kind of yes. Damn, just running to the keyboard and back. Yeah, I know that feeling. Anyway. But no, we have a dishwasher. This is gonna go in the dishwasher. You know, for this day's dishes. It's awesome having a dishwasher. Highly recommend. But yeah, but this thing that I read, it's this fucking thing. Well, there's still no date announced. Discord going public is one of the most widely anticipated IPOs on Wall Street. Oof. This is currently my Discord status because I'm like, oof, oof, oof. I don't know what you're talking about, but I want to know. But yeah. Let me see. This is like clearly written for investors, and it's interesting to read that. Like, surprisingly, Discord remains ads free. Like, yep. Oof. Oh yeah. And it remains to be seen if Discord will be able to remain ads-free once it goes public. Shareholders are likely to put pressure on the company to introduce ads, which could create another significant revenue stream. Yes. And I actually wonder how many people would like not jump ship once ads start coming in. Because for me, if I can't block the ads, I'm gone. It's so simple. It's so simple. Like on Twitch, very rarely do I stick on a stream that has ads. Like at the beginning or like in the middle. Like I just click off. There's some Rocket League competitive thingy, like 6-mans and also 4-mans. And they they like try to block you from using an ad blocker. And it was actually hard for me to like get into that because it's like I don't want to look at your ads. Just stop. Just stop. I'm not interested. Yeah, but and also if I use the Discord app, like I can block elements on that. And there's like all sorts of annoying stuff. But when I use Discord on browser, like even Discord's own annoying things about like, oh, this Nitro thing, check it out. No, block element. I don't see you. Oh. Oh, okay. Fair. But yeah. Oof. This thing. Ay. True. But the only good thing about the browser is uBlock Origin, and that I can block certain elements. Hello, Erie. Yeah. No, but I just need to work on the fucking chat app. But it's not an exciting project. That's the problem, right? Like this is exciting, and I want to work on it. And there's another project which I'm probably becoming a part of soon, which is also exciting. The chat app is just not exciting, you know. So when it becomes necessary, then I'll be like, fuck it, and I'll work on it. That's most likely what's gonna happen. Or then I will have I will have text input here, and I'll do some networking stuff for this game, and then I'll be like, oh, okay, I can just transform this into the chat app. Lol. Truly, the chat app should just be a fucking Minecraft clone. Truly. Why have a separate chat app when it can be a game as well? So true, so true. Yeah, I had a similar idea. I love reading your message that's like the same thing but different. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Oh my god. Dude, how many to-dos do we have? Oh, am I blind? What branch am I on? Hello, world? This is the wrong repo. Over here. I'm actually just blind. No, it's just some. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, I wrote the little to-do thing for myself, so I can continue from here. But the stuff that I've been doing off-stream, the off-stream mining. Oh, actually, I just realized I haven't shown the Octree texture stuff either. I'll get to that in a moment. But the TLDR is that I'm no longer using true voxels. Sad face. What is this? I just renamed some stuff. Well, this is like just me setting up. This render pass thing is not used. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah. Just modifying pipeline and doing shit. So fun. So much fun. Creating a UI render pipeline, layout, UI render pipeline. Did I even use that? Or did I end up using the same pipeline? No, I actually no. Yeah, I don't. Just pipeline, like different pipelines can have different shaders. So yeah, I do need the separate pipeline. Oh, I actually did ping the Discord server. Thank you for the reminder, me. Anyway. Yeah, I don't know if I already said hello to Erie, but yes. And there's a lot of different options for chat apps already, but I also want to make my own. Smile. Do we have XF and YF anywhere? We do. No, okay. This is different. And there we go. Let's uncomment those. Oi, oi, oi. These. And do that. Let's see what the cursor looks like now. Oh, it's like not visible. I had to increase the size. See now, but now the cursor size should be independent of the... Well, not independent really, but actually it is. It's a constant pixel size. Is this 25 pixels like big? I guess it should be. Oh. Let's see. Oh nice, the cursor isn't visible in here. That cannot be 25 pixels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pixels. Why is it 12? Good question. I guess this is halved. That's interesting. Well, don't really have to care about that. Anyway, we're gonna do a meme where we put the UI render stuff in a separate file. I've certainly become a separate file enjoyer. I don't know what to tell you. It is convenient. With this, and now we steal from a previous project. This is my favorite part of just working on code. It's like going to a previous project and just taking everything. Like, look at this shit. Would I really want to write this again? Holy hell. I don't think so. Okay. Get text quads, I think. Oh, actually, I have a better version of this already on another project. I just realized. It's the text editor. And here we have it in main.rs, I think. Oh, we don't. We have it in window.rs. There we go. Oh, yeah, and updated the fucking font here as well? Question mark? Let's see. Yeah, I have a one vertical bar thing here. I think that's the only difference. And then this is transparent and it's a WebP. If we compare this to font that we have here. Oh, I even changed the size. Question mark? Oh no, it's just completely different. I have square braces here, but not here. Huh. That's interesting. The square braces are a bit more important, maybe, than the vertical bar. I'll keep using this font. That means that I don't have the square braces on that function. Do I not have them even here? I guess not. I'll have to do that. Okay, but I can close that. And The thing that we want is this build text function, I'm pretty sure. Because this handles like going to another line. And for this we need the text build state. And also there's this editor state thing. Okay, so this is the editor state. It's just text in the caret position. Okay. Well, for this version, there should be an option, because not every text that's rendered necessarily is going to have a caret. I also find it funny how the text is a vec of chars, but this makes sense for editing. Let me think. I think for this, it's not necessarily going to be a vec of chars. I could just pass in a string, honestly. But does not make things any easier for me. Oh. Okay, let's just go with the vec of chars. Ah, fuck it. I'll just call it text state. Oh. Option use size. Let me just start piling stuff from here, stealing everything. Let me go to build text. We steal it, and then we yes. Do we get errors for this? We do. Let's go. My circus name? Isn't it Neuropathy? You know, like this is the circus that I'm residing in, right? All you're seeing is entertainer side of me. Smile. Surely, surely. Well, that is also my like online identity name, not just the circus name. And with the text build state. Oh, the name of my circus. Well, the name of this circus is a Voxel parkour game. That's what I say it as. Also, I just realized this text is like asked to read. Oh, like where it is. I need to like raise it up a bit. There we go. Don't worry. I don't have a creative answer to that. Unfortunately. I don't even use character info. What the fuck is this for? Anyway, so what are we missing? We don't have get character bounds. Okay. We steal that. Okay. We're gonna need someone more creative here, like Rum. She would know. Okay, I have to handle that. Do this here. 74. Oh shit. Interesting. Okay. Okay. There's gonna be a thing here for me to handle later. Alright, let's go to the text build state now. Go. Yoinkarinos. Thespian vertical. Aye. You and your magic words. Okay. So this is wrong here. It's fine. Dude, what I input the line and then I feel like I go somewhere different. That's interesting. Okay. What am I actually doing here? Check the positions. Get. Oh, okay. And then we put this here. And then we go here. See what else? We don't have make quad or get text quads. We need both of those. There we go. So a lot of these functions are going to be like scattered. Get text quads. There we go. And now we compile. Okay, that might be everything that we need. We still need to support the square braces. I guess I can just do that right now. So we put this here. And for some reason, this is the horizontal axis on the second slot and the vertical axis on the first slot. I don't know what I was thinking when I made this, but that's the way it is. It's not worth changing at this point, sadly. Anyway, so 6 and 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 0 should be the opening square brace. And 6 and 1 should be the closing square brace. There we go. Amazing. Those are now properly supported. And I should make a intermediary commit at this point. Because this compiles. It might not work, but it compiles. Yeah, whatever else is include everything. And now we have to actually render text. Wow. We probably have to make some function here public. I think it's going to be this build text function. You can actually access it. And the editor state. Oh, actually, okay. I'm gonna rename that. There we go. Build text, and we need to pass in the text state from somewhere else. I'm curious now, because it's complaining about everything not being used. If I say allow dead code for this, will it do it for everything then? Because this function uses the other functions. It's complaining about other stuff, but it's not complaining about this function. And then if I comment this out, yeah, then it's complaining about these. Interesting. Anyway. Also, this string manip, like, not string manip, this string handling stuff, I like how this works. It just works. Well, now we have to do this. Alright, so I guess I should start by just rendering some arbitrary text. See. If I remember correctly, this just returns, yeah, a vector of vertices. That's fine. Extend. And then we give it the vertices. Nice. And then we just have to give it everything. Nice. Nice. Text state. Show me the fields that I need. Please. I doesn't want to complain about it yet. Damn. Well, anyway, we're gonna get that complaining soon, so I can actually see what fields we need. This is gonna be position. Let's just put it 0, 0. Then this is the size of each character, I guess. Let's do this. Okay, private fields. Text and character post up. Oh. Private fields. Okay. I need to make those publico. Yeah. Mm-hmm. We have chars. And then carrot boss is just none. What do we see here? There's an error. Okay. Can I collect this? Okay, I can. Nice. Alright, if we are good, then we see ASD at the middle of the screen, I think. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, the buffer is just too small. That's fine though. Oh mine. UI vertex buffer. Okay, here we go. Does this right is 900? I guess we just put a few zeros at the end and then hope that's enough. Oh, there's a single triangle here. Excuse me? What? What? It in fact did not work. If I change the size... well, it gets smaller. That's for sure. Why does it not work? Is our cursor triangles somehow fucking it up? Just not do the cursor. Just in case that's somehow messing things up. Oh. Okay, it was messing things up, but also we're only getting one character for some reason. Which is interesting. Oh. I'm not updating the vertex count. Oh, you have no idea. The oh mine. Oh mine. Your names on the chat, the colors are different on the chat overlay, but I gotta show you what it looks like on my actual OBS. Look at this. You're the same color. You're the same color. Up here. Don't worry, I interpreted the question the same way the first time around. Okay, so we need to actually have a vertex count that reflects the fucking count of vertices. Imagine. Vertex count is... It's not color, it's just harder to tell people apart when they're the same color. That's all. God damn it. I don't know what to tell you. So what did you mean by nearby is live he can't text? What did that mean? Explain yourself. Anyway, vertex count is... Oh, is it actually thing here? It is actually. We have ASD vertices, dot len as U32, and that's it. Hey, ASD, ASD. Nice. And there's one single empty space at the end. That's fine. We live with it. Oh. Oh yeah. Well, I mean the the go live notif he can't text is just in reference, like when I write the go live notification, it's usually the thing that I'm trying to do during the stream, and I say he can't, and then the thing that I'm gonna do on the stream is just the meme. I'm surprised that someone actually even read that go live notif. What actually prompted? Where did you get that text? I'm now curious. Exactly, exactly. Claire just has marked this down on this fucking calendar on the wall. Oh, well, you were actually about to message me, and then you just saw the text. He can't text. That's amazing. That is actually amazing. Dude, that's so amazing. That's so amazing. Okay, you can text me. I don't know what to tell you. I might just not respond immediately, but oh my. Dude, you got unintentionally rejected. Unintentionally rejected. I don't know what to tell you. That's so funny though. Let's make an FPS counter. This and then okay, do we just have that available for us? Hold on, my thingy thing is there we go. We have that. Nice. True. There we go. Yay! We have the FPS. 141 apparently. I kind of want to put this on the corner of the screen. Let's do -1 and -1. I do not know what more to tell you. Dude, that's so amazing. The text rendering just fucking works. I let's make it a bit smaller though. But yeah, I didn't dwell on the projection part for too long. I hope you don't mind that. Thank you, thank you. Let's see, I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. Just gonna tweak the size. Make it 40. True. It's true. I gained the ability to text. And now we have an FPS counter. And let's load pink too, and go load something map. Okay, I should probably the next thing I should do is make the console text visible on screen. Okay, this is something that I don't need anymore. Question mark. I'm just gonna save it here, just in case. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. Don't need this. All right, we only need these. Now we merge the main, and then I do the other stuff. With the cursor there. And this commit name is gonna be 4. No, it's 5 actually. Did I commit anything that I didn't want to? Nope, it's all good. And now we get a diff to main. Git diff master goes to ignore diff load.diff. Oh, Rom, have a good one. And yeah, I hope you arrive home safe and sound. Yeah. And thank you for stopping by. I do appreciate it. It's always nice to see you. Let's see. Yes, binary. We have to delete this manually. Yes. I mean, I'm assuming that Rom is not the one driving. Say hello to your driver. Oh shit, why is this different? Oh. What? This is interesting. It's the master branch. Why the fuck are these different? Okay, let me just regenerate the fucking diff file. Why are you empty? Oh, okay, let's just... Hello? What are we doing? Just delete all of these. I'm gonna need those. Let's do it again. Okay. Yeah, okay. So I was getting the fucking diff of one file or something? Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to do this. Dude, what am I... Oh, I was doing something very different from what I was actually supposed to be doing. Okay. Oh. Welcome back, Ram. Yeah. Are there any binary differences here? Doesn't seem like it. Everything's kind of up to date. Okay, yeah, I'm no longer extremely confused. Also, actually, what? The render pass. I'm using the same render pass, though, right? Yeah. Okay, this should be... Name should be different for this. It is not the voxel render pass, it is just the render pass. And I do everything in the same render pass. Pass. Now we redo that. Reload. And now we go to the main branch. I could have done that on the command line as well. Master branch, and then we git apply ignore diff lol.diff. What the hell? Okay, there's an error, but it still worked. Let's go. Oh. Aye. Yeah, Rum's TikTok endeavors. I do remember you telling me about this. Yes. Today, 8 a.m. The ego check channel point of redemption would be something. Okay. Have this, we have this. This. Oh, there's a bunch of commented out code here. So we gotta remove that. Don't need that. And I should only do this if we have a carrot. Yes. I should probably test that it works. Yes, the gulp. Oh shit, wait, why is the FPS not visible anymore? What the hell? What the hell? What's going on? Why did it break? How did I break that? In this amount of time? Which change broke you? What? I'm confused. The one change that I make without having Git highlight to me what I've changed, and it breaks everything. That's awesome. Actually, I can fix this. Yes. Get the rendering. I can get the difference. Hmm. Why are we getting a thing that says that everything's deleted? I'm confused. Is it because I don't have this committed? What? What even is going on anymore? Why is the diff saying that everything is deleted? Okay, let's just make a temporary commit and hope that fixes everything. Okay, it does. Ooh. Oh, I don't flush the word, that's why. Oh. Yes. Yes, yes. That makes sense. Indeed, the one small change that I made. Let me see. Some carrot index. Yeah, I kind of... Fuck it, I'll just do it that way. I'll fix that later. Oh, hello, JJ. Damn. I look at chat and I just see semen being typed out. I'm like, what is the context? No, the incorrect assumption. Incorrect assumption cleared. It's just literally people about like drinking water and having the sound be audible to the mic. Okay. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. All I can say, I'm disappointed. I can I can see how gulp check could lead someone to think that, but yeah, it's true. All streamers must drink water. There's like an environmental clue here for you, Cleared, where if it's on my stream, it's most likely not that. Rom, that's amazing. Ay, ay, ay. Now we have the FPS again. Nice. Let's go. Okay. Now I can actually commit. Nothing is broken. Everything's good. I just paste this entire fucking fat file here. It's good. This. Yes, yes. Implement text rendering. This is 376 lines added and 27 removed. Let's go. I don't know. I don't know what to say. You're just giving me the temptation to drink audibly, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Anyway. So I should now do the command console text rendering on screen. Mm-hmm. Right, and now... What? Okay, I tried to copy this text and then I just wrote a C instead. That's amazing. Didn't even notice that. Hold on, I'm gonna type a bit first. Don't worry about it. But I'm still thinking about the fact that you made a wheezing sound that made your sister think that the car is breaking down. That's amazing. uh... I was just imagining your sister just driving. You're just looking at your phone and just fucking laughing. uh, Hello, Yekker. I was just thinking about how much like an online person Rom seems like IRL probably to her family. Alright. Okay, where do we have the console text? Console string, it's in game state. Okay. And it happens. Smile. Oh. Oh yeah, I need to... text state. That's... There we go. And then we still need the other arguments. Just do that. What is... Oh yeah, because it might be none. True. True. What am I... Alright, let's see. If let some console text equals game state, so console string. We go into this if statement, and we have the console text. You do this, then we say st vertices told extend console text vertices. Let's go. This needs to be borrowed. Do we don't compile? Why not? Oh, what? What is missing? Just the text state? Oh, I don't have a comma there. Okay, this needs to be borrowed. There we go. Dude, the chat is moving too fucking fast. I like code for a few minutes and then I don't know what's happening anymore. Okay. Families, outdoors people, and you're sitting here Twitch chat. I mean, but it's, you know, you're having fun. You're talking with people, right? Smile. Nothing wrong with that. Damn. Aye. Alright, let's see. Dude, I can just type and it's visible. Dude, this is such a fucking upgrade. Holy fuck. I just need to place the text slightly differently. Hold your horses. Aye. This is -1. Dude, I want to have a thing where I can make the text extend upwards. Because right now, line breaks always go down. But I need to figure out a way to just give, like, yeah, define the text position, like, from the bottom. Then have that work. Oh. Oh, okay, tomato. Yeah, I think, only the tomato part. I'm like, okay, this might be someone that I know. Yeah. Yeah, but I mean, the music is distracting when you're coding. I don't know what to tell you. It is. It is. Okay, I need to take... This is the vertical size, and then I just do that. Now I should have a thingy thing. Yay! if I do this, and then let's say that this area. Actually, I need to get a block here. Oh. There we go. Everything works. Yep, thank you. Thank you. Yes, I just finished putting in text rendering, so I can type stuff and it actually appears on the screen, so I don't have to like have the console visible. And what I should probably do is have it so I actually have some quote-unquote chat history where I type lines and then it goes up here and I could scroll the thing probably and have command history. Yeah, no, Tomato Anus is a actual speedrunner, and speedrun events have fun when a well-respected guy called Tomato Anus is coming on, and it's like, what the fuck do you do? he just chose chaos and violence with that name. I don't know what to tell you. Kind of funny. Oh, why did I do that? Anyway. Oh, I just realized I could also print in the text thing when you like, yeah, finish a map, print your time and whatever. That's so cool. There's so many things that I can do with the text stuff. A whole world is opened. One thing I don't like about the current mechanics in this map is how much it feels like you slow down when you go on that narrow bridge, but this is kind of how everything works. Like, we go from here. Like, this is all fun. We get the bounce. Go here. The cursor is so distracting, I have no idea. I'm gonna have to disable it soon. Okay. Oh, we didn't make it. Yeah, I'm gonna disable the cursor. I can't handle it. Holy shit. Please. There we go. Don't worry. Don't worry about that. Okay. I'm going to unplug my mouse from the charger so I can actually move it well. Alright, let's go. No, but this is fun. We have the velocity and we're just doing shit. Get more speed. Very high speed here. Attain the speed. Go here. Then this part, oh, if I jumped here, like the way that I land on this, and it's like almost a 90-degree turn, the aggressive friction just eats all your velocity, and it just feels a bit weird. But I think this is how the game is gonna be. Oh. Like right there, I was going relatively fast, and then we go on the fucking straight narrow bridge, and then we're moving very slow. That's actually a pretty good run. Well, I don't know if there's I kind of want to do something about that. I've not seen Romeo and Juliet, I don't think. Oh, dude, I could display the current speed of the player as text. Let's go. I will do that right now. Let's see. And it's gonna be game state dot player. Oh, actually, this is. Do I have a length thing? Maybe. Is this a real thing? Oh, we need everything else is here as well. We don't need to multiply with this. Anyway, what is wrong? Oh, it's again the comma. The comma is missing. Oh yeah, and I need to do dot collect dot chars. Yes. Ay ay ay. There we go. I need to do this. Amazing coding going on. This takes into account the vertical velocity as well. Okay, let me full screen this. I find it funny when I stop moving, the speed decreases to like such small decimals. It's amazing. We're getting some Romeo and Juliet headcanon, what the fuck? Ay ay ay. Okay, well let's see. What speeds do we reach? So momentarily after going on the launch pad, our speed is like 3. Now we're 5 here. Oh, I just nicked the edge of that. That's unsatisfying. Let's see. Yes. Go here, here, here. These. Okay, I didn't hit the edge. That's good. No, I didn't jump. Fuck. Okay. I want to get a clip of me doing the section, and then I can go to the video and kind of analyze what's happening with the speed. We should also probably only take into account the horizontal components of the speed instead of taking the whole 3D vector. Okay, there we go. I missed that? Alright. I'm gonna modify this so we only take the horizontal components. Damn. I'm being regendered. Let's go. Don't worry. I feel like a part of the reason this chat is the way it is because Rom is here. Honestly. Ay, ay. I don't know what to tell you. Like, if you're in a chat, the chat becomes partially yours. You know, you just have that power. Yeah, okay. So now we only take into account the horizontal components, which is good. Dev. Okay, we have some good speed. And I fucking went off the map because I'm so good at the game. Okay, let's try again. This might be too fast, so I'm trying to slow down a bit. And I didn't slow it down enough. Okay. But one of the primary ways of, for me, slowing down in this game is just, like, shaking my head in the air. So it does very slightly to slow you down. Then. Let's see. For sure I get it this time. This is pretty fast. No, okay, still not enough. What is going on? I need a vertical monitor for this chat, like at this speed. Aye. You're like living a life of your own at this point. Alright. No! That was way too greedy of a jump. Honestly, I could be falling into the void and just like respawning that way, but I like using the TP tool. Okay. I'll actually get the thing this time, and then I'll be able to look at the speed thing. And see what's going on with it. Okay, I jumped too early. I think I know what's going on though. True. Like, it's not really cheating. It's more just... It actually takes me longer to get to the start of the map by doing that. Also, actually, for a game like this, if I were to have like an assist mode of sorts, what should that include? I've been thinking about this. Like, I want this game to be fun for myself, and that includes making it challenging. Wow, I didn't make that jump. But if someone wants to play this game and they're not like as good at it and they don't care to improve, they just want to see everything the game has. Subtitles. How did Damn. Now Ram, I believe in you. I believe in you, Ram. You could finish the game. I totally believe that. But yeah, I don't know what I would offer people. I don't get that's how the assist mode. How would that help you? Anyway, time to actually look at the thing that I did. Streamwood. Here we go. Oh, I just realized that the Discord text is over the FPS text. Nobody told me about this. Unlucky. Unlucky. Oh, I didn't mean to move that. I should have looked at my own screen to realize that. I'm gonna move that there. There we go. Now it's no longer in the way. I can still read the text though, it's fine. Oh, I just realized that the thing already happened in the video. Okay, there we go. They have like 2.9 speed, I think, here. I don't know, 2.5. We'll start turning, and our speed is already now at like 1.2. Okay, so this is like the act of turning that gets rid of the speed. Gets rid of one whole unit of speed. It's a 1/3, just turning here. I guess that makes sense. Yeah, because we land here. Yep. Wait, what do you mean LMAO is censored? I'm curious now. I'm not. The I'm not sure about how strict the TOS is about like age talk and whatever, but I'm pretty sure if someone says that they're under 13 and stuff like that, then it's like you're basically supposed to get rid of them. That's at least the impression that I have. I know that you're not, but it's like don't joke about that. Smile. Yeah. Anyway, this here. Yeah, damn, I didn't expect to just get the text rendering working so fucking fast, but it just works. It just works. Reposition that. There we go. True. RAM is not real. The void is the real world, I guess. Let's see. I don't really need the cursor, but I'm gonna keep it commented out in case I want to have it in the future. Yeah. Do that. I guess the thing that there's like two things that I could do. One is view more text and like implement the console better, have the command history and whatever. But I don't really feel like doing that. I think I'll just try to build a map. I think that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna update the stream info for that. There we go. Stream title updated. Also, yeah, I didn't actually elaborate on this yet this stream, but I'm no longer using true voxels for everything. So if we look at the cobblestone texture, we can see that it has a different color on the top and on the side, right? And if this was this one voxel, this would be impossible, right? Because a single voxel is supposed to have a single color. Like in here, for example, all of this is just voxels, right? And if I place down, I mean, the good thing about this is that texture kind of just works. It tiles on each of the sides. Let me do this. So the texture kind of just works, right? It looks correct on all the sides, which is very good. And it even works with stairs and everything. It just works. It's amazing. If I do no, not load model test stair, I can also do this, and it also looks correct. This is like the most scuffed version, to be honest. It's like such a high fidelity thing, but whatever. Still works. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, to me, TF2 is Team Fortress 2. That's just how it is. It always will be. Thank you, thank you. Now, to celebrate this amazing occasion, I'm going to start building a new map. Do we fall into this? Okay, we are in it. Need to make it one block lower. I think I'll try to make this map with only textured things. That's the goal, right? We save that. I so badly want feedback with the command, so I type like save texture, and then it would like put some more text on the screen telling me like, oh, okay, saved here, and there was that many bytes and whatever. Temple of Rum. Wait, are you saying this is the Temple of Rum? I don't know. I know, Gecker, I agree. It's like streaming is like gambling to me. It's like, will people be in chat today or not? Is it gonna be active or not? I don't fucking know. We'll see, But we only have 2 textures currently. And I don't know if I can make something good with just cobblestone and logs. So most likely I'm gonna have to implement a new texture before I can finish this map, but that's kind of the point also. True. Mm-mm. And to be honest, the cobblestone texture is kind of, I don't know. What do we think of the cobblestone texture? Asking for feedback. I think it's fine, but no. I think it would be fine in combination with other textures, but not really as just the only thing. Chainmail. Mm-hmm. To be honest, also, I kind of like the thing that I was doing here, like this building an environment. Honestly, I should just make a grass texture. That is the thing that I should be doing. Grass and dirt. And just replace this with grass. Well, I could just make this into a fucking parkour map. What am I thinking? It's like, I already have a beginning here. It doesn't have to be, like, perfect, like, a perfect map, but it's like a playground. I think that's what this map is gonna be. Now let's think. I guess we try to make a grass texture and implement that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, for the wrapping textures, I don't know. I mean, so far I've kind of just drawn stuff and been like, okay, this kind of works. Smile. I don't know how to explain that, but let's see. I like the color we have here, so we're gonna use that for the grass. It's gonna be 8 by 8. Here's the starting color. Yep, it's we'll see what I can cook up here. Because I'm definitely not an experienced like texture maker. What I think I'm gonna do with for the grass, I want something that's a bit more brown, I guess. Let's go here. Let's just make it. This is gonna be awful. I hope you're prepared. That's not a good color at all. It's like slightly better. Make it a bit darker, maybe. Okay, this is like getting there. I think I might have needed to not change the hue at all. Desaturate it a bit, make it a bit darker still. Sure, this can work. Let's just do some few lines. We have the anti-aliasing. It's gonna help us for real, for real. You'll see where I'm going in a moment. Okay, let's just use this as a base. And then we do a funny thing. Can I shift the image in here? Or do I have to do it manually? I might have to do this manually. Nope, I didn't mean to do that. Take this side. Paste it here. We switch these around. Then we do the same vertically. Good old trick to get the seam visible. Oh. Yes. Should make these connect. Oh, I need to be on the correct layer. There we go. Yes. And this connects. I don't know. This is just weird. This is a stripe texture, not really a grass texture. I don't know how to feel about that. Which color? The darker green or like this green? I don't know which green you're referring to. Hold on. No, this is not it. Oh, look at this. We can do all sorts of stuff here. But this texture is complete garbage. But it's fine. Yeah, whatever. The neon. um, the fucking neon one. Is it? I don't think it's even neon. Mountain Dew grass. Ay. Anyway, we're gonna export and see what it looks like in the game. Smile. As part of the thing is that I need to actually I need to put it into the atlas and then change. Ay. Let's see. Export that. Honestly, I should also make it so we load these textures instead of using the atlas. The atlas is so ass to work with. So we're not gonna work with it. And now I get to do the code changes because I implemented something. That was kind of the main point of making the texture. Ay. See, Rom, if you don't want to cringe about me making the most diabolical, horrible textures, then you're gonna need to, like, help me, right? This is how I get people to help me. I just do it so badly. Anyway. Do not use nuclear waste colors for grass next time. I'll keep that in mind. That sounds like a helpful tip to me. I don't know. This. Alright, we're gonna make this into a for loop. Ba, 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 ba. Well, this should be 0 and 8 always. Let's just do an assert here. There we go. That might just work. Oh, it doesn't compile. Oh, I forgot. I need to borrow these. And then it's fine. No? What do you mean I can't do that? I don't remember how I did this before. But I just want these to be slices. Okay. Let's try something here. Make it a slice of U8. And then we do the same for an ASD2 here. Does this work? Will it complain? Oh, I also mistyped there. Okay, it doesn't want to work like that. So what is going on here? Ah, okay. Wait, so I can do this? Don't tell me that this is cringe. It might be cringe. Do I really need to bind these into variables just so I can use them here? I do. Wow. I can't directly have them in here. I need to do this. SMH. Okay, what's going on in chat? Let's see. Damn, Rum, I'm not your first friend? I see. Do it. The Weed Temple. I have the textures in the wrong order, I think. This looks more like moss or something, but not even like that really either. What does this even look like? Anyway, I have to change the order. So the log texture is correctly placed, which is amazing. And it's the last one. Interesting. So these are supposed to be in like reverse order. It's very strange, but we deal with it. This is the latest one. Honestly, I will change that. I will not stand for this. Okay, log, and then cobblestone, then grass. Should be this way. It's gonna be even more fucked now, but that's fine. It's fine. Oh, actually, I can't do this way. Oh, well, that's correct. Okay, I was wrong about the texture order. Sure, everything is fine now. And now we just have to implement grass. And grass most likely needs a different texture on the sides and on the top. So that's fun. I actually don't handle that for the textures currently. Let me think about this. But I think for grass, I could do the thing where it uses 2 voxels instead. Let's make a moss block first. Whatever. I'll call it grass, but it's whatever. So I like how I have the outline material, but I'm probably gonna remove it in the future. Anyway, we have grass there. Grass grows, and grass grows. And brother, I grow grass. This is in... It is in lib.rs. Oh, this is different. Okay. There we go. 762. And what do we do? We just give it a voxel, and the texture ID is 3, and everything else is 0. And now we have some more shit to do here. And now we only have the console.rs left. Oh, also we're dropping frames. What the hell? Why? I don't know if the quality drop was visible at all, but at least on my... Like, my OBS was crying like, oh, we're dropping frames. Okay. That is looking back at chat. Ay ay ay. Ay ay ay. Alright, which line is there on? 363. Let's go. No? Oh, it's in save load, not console. I'm stupid. But we also have to do that thing here. Parse block material. There we go. 363. Here we are. Our grass is number 9. I'm like scared to look at chat. I see it moving. I'm like, what is even happening there? Oh shit, you just said it! Dude, that's amazing. I say that I look at chat that it's like been said like 2 minutes ago or something. Don't worry about it. This is part of building the map. But I'll do that just to just for the funny. Alright, we should be able to build now. There we go. Now this is totally grass, right? Totally. It's so scuffed. It's actually so scuffed. It's lovely. And do we have cobblestone on the bottom? Oh, we have some other color. That's interesting. I'm gonna keep that there. Aye, aye, aye. I assume this is all grass. Yeah. I love this fill tool, by the way. It's so convenient. Just click, 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 and everything's changing. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Damn. It was like this size, I think. That's good. So now the grass texture just has to be made not terrible. But it's like, is this the worst grass texture you've ever seen? I don't think it is the worst ever, right? It's clearly worse than the cobblestone and the logs, I do have to say that. But it has texture, right? Right? Or am I coping? I don't know. Oh, it's the worst you've ever seen? Damn. Unlucky. Can't win every battle. It's better than the solid color, at least. You can't change my mind about that. Let's go. Let's go Gaussian blur the grass. That sounds like a great idea. I already had it open, lol. Let's also do a thing here where... Nah, no. We're gonna change this. So we have 8, then it's 3 times 3. Can I do math here? I can do math here. That's excellent. Layer the image size. Yes, and now we do this kind of a meme. Damn. Well, I appreciate the honest feedback at least. Let's see. Now we do... I feel like that's a bit too much. I don't feel that Gaussian blur is the answer anymore. It does not feel like the answer. Oh, hello poppers. Welcome in. For sure, we just want lens blur, right? Oh! Hold on. Okay, and now we select the 8x8 in the middle. Actually, we want the crop to this. Have the previous grass texture committed? Okay, I should make a commit now. What do you mean, a crafting table? How is this a crafting table? I will never understand you. Alright, this is certainly different. It's a bit too sludgy, I think, but it's a lot better. Oh, you know what I'm thinking now? It's yeah, I agree that it's better, but it's also like if you look at this texture and then this texture, it's like these are way different to each other, right? It's like they belong in different games. That's how it looks to me. Same with the cobblestone and the grass, right? Yeah, no, but I really want to do a thing where I just generate the grass with code. I'm really thinking about it. Because you can see the repetitive pattern here very fucking easily. But like surely I can come up with code that places these voxels appropriately. And then you just have grass. No, it's not even about drawing that. It's more just coming up with a function to like just generate a grass texture that just spans the entire world, basically. Like every time you ask the code like, oh, what should a grass voxel look like in this position of the world? Then it comes up with the color. True, just make code, right? It's so easy. So easy. Did you know that this log texture, like this inside part, is done by a code? Smile. So true, so true. Yeah, at least, yeah, I don't know. How would I do the grass? No, but the thing is, it's worth it. Like, listen to me, I'm not crazy. It's actually just a peak idea, right? It's just peak. I don't know what to tell you. I just come up with the code that does the grass, and then you just have grass. It's just how it is. I don't think that's really the reason. Like, no, one of the things I did want to do is like have these 3D things, but anyway. Like the reason I started the no engine thing is just because I was annoyed with Godot. That's the reason. Godot is still a very, very fucking good engine. The best engine that I've used. True. ROM doesn't think. Confirmed. I don't think I will finish the grass texture thing. But you know what I'm thinking. Ooh. Okay, I could do a funny, because I have VIP slots. If someone guesses what I'm thinking, they get VIP. And this is like what I'm gonna do next on the stream. I'm not saying they'll be VIP forever, but it might be funny to just keep the person as VIP as well. No, no, no. Let's if I do the thing, it requires me to switch the category on Twitch from software and game dev to something else, and it's not gonna be like any creative thing. So I'm gonna be playing a game. That's your hint. No one still said it. Okay, there we go. Too late, Rum. Too late. You were not the first one to say it. I'm so sorry. Maybe another time I'll be drawing more VIP slots. Let's see. Yes. True. Amogus. Unlucky, unlucky. Don't worry. I will still do it. Hold on. Here's the window capture. Let me hide my screen for a momento. I will play other games in the future as well, but I started playing this. I don't know what to tell you. I have to finish it. It's just how it is. It's just how it is. There we go. If I remember correctly, the audio was a bit too loud for the stream last time. People said that it was fine. I was like, I disagreed. I was like, goddamn. I need you. Why do you want me to do that? I'm curious. Hold on, let me... Okay, this is the wrong thing. Yeah, there we go. Oh. Wait, on the Twitch chat settings, you should be able to like change what badges you have visible. Or do you not? Damn. Player, do you want to transfer the VIP badge to ROM? Or do you want to keep it? Oh damn, I walked into the tutorial. I have to sit through the text. Also, why is the thing not visible? What the fuck? I thought it was visible. Hello? What is going on here? Was it never visible? No, it was visible. And then it just broke. What? Oh, there we go. Why did this break? What the hell? That's so weird. It was just a black screen? Okay. Damn. Unlucky. I thought that it worked. No, it's not a joke. It's not a joke. It's real. Also got hold on, I gotta fix this. Hold on. There we go. I do this. I do this. There we go. Dude, that's actually hilarious. You just heard the Pokemon sounds and you think it's regular Pokemon. But no. See? We have all the Amogus. So this is a Rolt. This is a Lotad. This is a Talo, a Zigzagoon, and then a Torchic. You can just know, you know? And last time we beat the gym. Let's go get the quick claw. Oh, this is not the school. Where is the school? This? Yeah, okay. Okay, what? Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of directing. We're not gonna have that. Tomato Anus is fine because they're a respected streamer and speedrunner, but anything beyond that, it's time to stop. Yes. Hold on. We're gonna share the VIP badge. I will. Sorry, Rom. Can I unvip? Yes, I can. There we go. The badge has been transferred. No, I didn't delete the Yippee. I don't know what to tell you. I did say that. Stop. Stop with the anus. No. I'm saying no. You have to stop. That's what I'm telling you. The EP didn't get deleted. Yes! Exactly. The only context right now where anus is allowed is tomato anus. They have too much clout. Otherwise, off limit. That's how it works. What do you mean? Better than what? Well, Rom, if you change your Twitch name to something inappropriate, then I will consider respecting it. But you gotta commit to it, right? You gotta commit to the bit. I will let that one. I will. Alright, I will do a funny meme here. Hold on. Hold on. Where's this thing? There we go. There we go. Alright. I can continue the gameplay. Actually, what Amogus do we want to level up? We don't really care about the bird. There's just a fly slave, pretty much. Yeah, I'm gonna level up the heralds. They're gonna be a really valuable attacker. Safety has our legs goes hard. Actually, we want to switch here. We have that matchup. Dude, what fucking toddler mode do you have on your Twitch? What? Fuck it, I'll give a bit of level to the bird. I should be able to win this. Oh, tomato is the sauce too much. Oh yeah. But who told you that Ram's a human? Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Do we have we do. Not check tag. We're gonna use this to get rid of the poison. Oh, we also have an item on our intern. Let's go. Potion. Big stonks. Apuchiana, let's go. We can't do anything to Apuchiana with our rolls. We'll level up our Torchic. Spider monkey. Wait, what's this? I don't know the context with the spider monkey. Give me le context. What? If you send me a image on Discord, then I might show it on stream. Yeah, I'm thinking of this the JavaScript engine. Honestly. Yeah, Firefox's JavaScript engine is called Spider Monkey. I don't know how to tell you this. Oh. Ah, there we go. Oh, they quit. Well, anyway. We're gonna level up. Dude, that's crazy. Do you mean the pony? I don't know. How you arrived at there. What? Damn. Oh, I meant to get the double battle. This is lame. Anyway, well, we go with it. Only single battles now. The missing out on double battles is actually such a fucking bummer. They're peak. I don't know if I have a favorite My Little Pony character. Let's give intern a bit more XP, I think. Yes. We should be able to do it with our lovely little bird. Unless they like tackle crit, and then I just die instantly. Oh. Okay. The bird is surprisingly fucking strong. Halo energy. Sauce Johnson has been defeated. Oh, that's a Geodude. That's a shadow underneath it. And it's brown. Well, they're trying to kill me. I have to defend myself. Like, I just went to talk to them and they're like, oh, let's kill each other. I'm like, okay. Which nature power do we have? Oh, Swift. Well, that's not good. True. Absorb my opponent. Well, I mean, if Rom is still in the car, then that might be a bit difficult. Yeah, exactly. You missed the car lore part. True. True. Hold on, I need to save this as a screenshot for myself. That's too good. I have it to be genocide route. That's good. That's so dumb. Oh, you want the screenshot as well, Ram? I'll send it to you later. Hold on. I'm getting a better screenshot of it as well. There we go. Just don't die of piss. Alright. I actually want to level up this. I have to show you something funny. The auto mod term. I was about to say, since I added it, no one ever said it again. But it happened. Eerie, flip a coin. If it's heads, you have permission. If it's tails, you gotta wait a minute and flip the coin again. Good luck. Oh, you gotta wait a minute now? Unlucky. Alright. Oh! Evolution, let's go! Let's go! Tomato, you gotta play by the same rules. You gotta flip a coin. If it's heads, you can go. If it's tails, you gotta wait 1 minute. Alright, we're gonna... I'm thinking, do I heal my Pokemon or not? Before I go into the cave? I think I'll be fine. I don't need to waste time with that. This won't be able to level up W. That's kind of a bummer, but whatever. Actually, I'll start with W. Oh yeah, this is Mr. Briny. Whatever his name is. An item here. Sus ball. Nice. Good luck. Don't die. Ay. I don't know how far I'm gonna go with the game this time. The next gym isn't actually that far away. I could just go to the next gym and defeat it. That is a viable plan. And actually with that gym, I should be leveling up my Tailo. Because flying is good against fighting. Ay. Dude, after this, I have to go do some outside RL stuff, like yard work and whatever. Can't wait for that. But for now, I'm escaping it with Amogu's Pokemon. Amazing. Amazing. For a second I thought, why does my rolls have soundproof? But it's because the whispers have soundproof. And I have trace. What's in here? Actually, I love this backtracking thing. Oh, I don't have a map yet. Oh, it's like I will soon have a map. But basically, this tunnel connects this area to like a later area, but you can't go through yet. But you'll open the tunnel later. I like that. I also got reminded of the Deltarune door frames, which act as shortcuts, but they're kind of arbitrary shortcuts. Whereas this kind of just makes sense in the world. And we'll come back, Tomato. Yes. Well, also, I do have to say, don't talk about chapters 3 and 4. Easiest way to get permabanned. Because I've not played them yet. I've had time, but I've just been doing everything else. I should attack the Amogus instead of doing Tail Whip. Oh, whatever. That's... a full restore? This fucker has full restores. Bruh! Fucking most expensive item. And he's just throwing them out. God damn. God damn. I don't know what to tell you. I did say don't say anything, and then you say things. Granted, that's not really a spoiler, but I do mean just pretend they don't exist. It's my own fault for mentioning the sacred name altogether. Alright, Eri. Have a good night. I hope you sleep well. Let's get rid of this guy. He's actually pretty tanky. You must work overtime in the chat factory. So true. Alright. There we go. He's gone. Oof. The unfortunate feint, but well, it is what it is. There we go. Ember is very strong. See. This is a fine lineup. Another double battle. I don't know what Pokemon these are. Actually, just... Okay, the other is from the Azumarill line, and the other is Nora Ralts, I think, but I don't know what it is specifically. Oh, good crit. Oh, that's a crit. Okay. Okay. He's gonna faint, and we're gonna give some XP to fire. Samogas. The Ember Soul is incredibly strong, what the hell. Aye, aye. Berries. Dude, playing this game makes me want to make like an RPG game myself. Or like, you know, build a theme and whatever. But also, I could make the RPG game in the Voxel engine. Because why not? Honestly, I can't wait to like get the parkour game done and move on to other projects and use the same code base and stuff like that. But there's also another somewhat promising project that I might be a part of soon. You'll hear about it when it's time. I mean, the Undertale game is not... like, how would I say? It's not about me, you know? I'm there as a helper. You know, just another team member. Granted, I could be taking more workload and doing like more map imports and stuff like that, but it's like, I don't know, Chief. I would rather be more of a sideline character, providing help, rather than try to do everything myself and then burn out on the project and never contribute ever again. Also, now we have the soft nav. We can look at the map? Yes, let's go. Yep, so this is the tunnel that's blocked currently. Can't go through this. But later it'll be unlocked. You can't go here either, it's a one-way. Although with a bike you can go the other way. But on the strat is we go to the sea here, here, and then through here we can go to Finland turf. I forgot you can zoom this. Holy. That's amazing. Oh, we can't see the layout of places we haven't been to. That's fair enough. Is this the Voxel guy? Yes. That's the Voxel guy. So who's this guy? Okay, okay. Why are you going away? Oh. No, I'm not gonna talk to everyone. Force tutorial. That's just fine. That's also good though. It's like you don't have, at the beginning of the game, you don't have an overwhelming number of like menu options. They get slowly introduced to you as you progress through the game. I think that's good design. Is there a hidden item here? Oh well, I mean that's not really hidden, but whatever. What do I want to do now? We have to go to... Do we have teleport on this? Oh yeah. Let's go to Petalburg. This guy wants to fight. Am I ready for that? I guess so. We can start with the burb. I don't remember what this lineup is. I think it's YOLO. So need to drink some water. Ay ay ay. I could have done the gulp check. Damn. I didn't think about that. The lead with the fire. Okay, I don't do much damage with that. What Pokemon even is this? Okay. I can like maybe survive one. Okay, the bird is gonna have to be sacrificed. Crit maybe? Oh! Let's go! We don't change. This is, hold on, I have fire, so this is Mudkip. We can deal a bit of damage before going down. I don't think it's a fetish thing, though. Anyway. Ay, ay, ay. 1 damage? God damn. It's not a lot. Dude, did deal 1 damage on both of their attacks? That's amazing. It's actually funny because that reduces accuracy, but Swift cannot miss. Unmissable. I weren't here to hear about the gulp check thing. But basically, Ron likes to do this thing on her stream where she drinks water and like has an audible gulp on the microphone. I don't know what to tell you. I feel like I'm advertising her stream here. Hello, Aztec boy. Hope you're doing good. Yes. Things aren't happening. I don't know what to tell you. If you're interested in the game dev side, you can see the like preview of the game, like on this upper corner here. That's the main project I work on. Today I implemented text rendering for that, and now I'm just having a post-game dev gaming session. I think we just sail and go to the gym. Try to beat it. Oh. Actually, I'm curious. What clued you into me being Finnish? I'm curious. Oh, the name. Okay, okay. Yeah, so you're probably Finnish as well then. Okay, okay. Fair enough. I think the kind of most... I mean, how would I say? Like, my nose is a bit stuffy right now, at least that's what it feels like. But not too much. I don't know, if you wanted the strong Finnish accent, then... There is ralli englanti. You can speak like this. But, I don't... I don't do that. I don't think I'm even that good at the rally English, because I'm just used to pronouncing things correctly. From that a little? Damn. You gotta work on your Finnish tolerance. Oh. Okay, okay. Yeah, and this is usually I stream earlier in the day. But my sleep schedule has been like doing backflips. So I'm like, fuck it, let's just like start streaming earlier. No, or not earlier, later in the day, right? So here I am. Yeah, but not yet. We have 5 minutes, 6 minutes until 3 hours. I assume you're from the albino server then? Question mark? Also, Hog Laura mentioned. Laura is in the game. Let's go. Let me check how long the streams usually are. By going to nearpatty.com/stream/archive, you can see the VODs. Smile. Wink wink. They're all there. The last stream was 5 hours, 5 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, 3.5, 4 hours. So it's like, oh shit, and the one before that was like almost 6 hours. God damn. Yeah, I don't know what you would classify as a short or long stream. But yeah. They don't really... It's like usually 2 hours minimum. And then, you know, it depends on how much energy I have. Damn. Yeah, unlucky cleared. The chat appeared, and then the streams got longer. That's the pipeline. There's chat, I stream. That's how it works. If there's no chat, it's like, I can stream coding for 2 hours and focusing. But, at some point, it's like, yeah, I'm gonna hop off. But if there's chat, then it's a lot more entertaining. For me as well. So actually, no, we want to keep leveling up the burb. We also do want to level up their routes. Ha! Rude. Oh, you don't have to stay here if you don't want to. You're always free to do whatever you want. In regards to staying or leaving. I've played this game, the vanilla version, a few times. See, the color of this Amogus tells me that it's a fighting type, you know? And this is fighting type gym, so this is probably a Meditite. So it's gonna be weak to flying. Oh, good crit. Oh, bad crit. Unlucky. We get fire. Confusion there, and we just give you a scratch. Which name checks out? I'm curious. What are you specifically referencing? Oh yeah, that's our normal damage because they're fighting psychic. Ah, fuck it, let's just do this. There we go. Oh, bide. Okay, I can kill it. Oh, nice. Okay, fair. Fair enough. Alright. I have to check later. I love it when people will come in the background and shout stuff. I don't know if it came through the stream at all. So holy hell, it's so fucking hot here. I'm like dying. And it's only like 27 degrees in this room. Yeah, that's fair. I'm fast about muting the microphone as well. I just have a convenient hotkey for it. True. And I could open my door and get cool air, but then I have less protection from the voices. Le voices. True. 20 degrees is like, I don't know, chief. I'm gonna like eat ice cream or something after this stream. Actually, no, I'll probably eat like proper food. I did eat before the stream, but it's been 3 hours. Let's see the order. Oh, intern has an item? Let's take it. Potion again, forward. Nice, nice. Damn. Also, one thing that I kind of can't wait for is building enough maps so that it makes sense to have playtesters with a parkour game and just seeing people play it. I'm seriously waiting for that. Exciting times. Oh, bulk ice cream. Okay, for some reason I read police ice cream. I don't know where that came from into my head. Amazing. There we go. I think I have encountered every trainer in this gym. If I missed anyone, then unlucky. That's a Meditite, for sure. Yep. Oh, decked. Thank you. Oh, I forgot they don't take basically any damage from confusion. Now they're using Bide. Oh, let's go. There's a spam bot in chat that got auto-moderated. And they're gone. Okay, how much damage is this? Oof. Yeah, if I tried to kill them, then I would have fainted, most likely. Bite is scary. Oh, Ronde! Hello! Welcome in, welcome in. Yes. It's the first time he's in the stream, that's amazing. Oh, it's probably because it's Saturday and I'm not streaming at ass o'clock. That's amazing. Yeah. Earlier in the stream I implemented text rendering into the game. Ay ay ay. True, it is, it is. Okay, we just... Actually... I'm thinking, do I use a potion? Or do I... I have 5 potions, whatever, I can just use it. I'm not gonna be an item hoarder. Oh, actually I will lose. I just realized. Actually, we can cope, we can do double team, and it's cope they myth. Yes. Yes. This is the strat. Okay, fair enough. Okay, this is either gonna go good or very fucking terribly. It's, they're buffing up, they're gonna like one-hit everything. But if they miss, they can't do anything. So we're +3 evasion now. No crit! Ay ay ay. That's unlucky. Yeah, I lose. Yep, if that didn't crit, I think I live. And, oof. Oof, oof, oof. +3 evasion is already pretty good. Yeah, I can't do anything. I'm just gonna die. Aye, aye, aye. But the strat, that is the strat. That is the strat. I guess I'm gonna get to see... Oh, actually. I still have a chance, I just realized. Yeah, they flinched. Let's go. Well, if I crit over and over and they flinched over and over, there's a chance. But it didn't happen, unluckily. Dude, how much damage does Ember do? You know, a decent amount. If we crit, then he dies. Oh, this is a high roll. Okay. Good. Free XP. We always take the free XP. What? It's doing focus punch? It's actually just throwing. Dude, let me die! It just... sure, just throw. There's no way. There's no way. Let's see, if I actually wanted to win this. Dude, there is a very small chance. Do I have... I don't have a revive. Okay, so I can't. They're burned. Let's go. Yeah, Vital Throw always goes last. Yep. That's fine though. We go again. True, it's pure skill. I should also give it a quick claw or something, I think. Well, W is faster already, but we'll do that. We'll give a berry actually as well. We need to do this. Give this to fire, give this to leaf. And we'll give it to our burb as well. Oh, okay, okay. Actually, also want to give this to... Oh, I mean, give? Yeah. We give berries. Okay, so... W is our Relt. And then 3 question marks is our bird. It's Talo, I'm pretty sure. Intern is a Zigzagoon. Then our Leaf is a Lotad. I originally thought when I encountered them that it was a Seedot, but then like when I caught it, it was like, oh, water. Or it was like the moves they used that clued me in. And you know, Rain Dish, obvious fucking Lotad. And then we have a Torchic. I wanted to pick Mudkip, but I didn't. Because all the started Pokemon look the same. And I didn't remember which spot is Mudkip and which is which. But I don't do save scumming on this. We just go. We just try. If things go wrong, they go wrong. And that's how it is. No, no Nuzlocke. If this was Nuzlocke, I would have died because like all my Pokemon fainted and whatever. Let's see. Okay, they connected 2 low kicks. And they're faster than me, I just realized. Please start using bulk or whatever. Thank you. Now we're +3 after this double team. I think I'll do 1 confusion, pray that I confuse them, and then that they'll hit themselves in confusion multiple times. Confusion? No. Confusion? Maybe? Okay, no confusion. Unlucky. I think so as well. Okay, +4. Okay, I didn't think that would die to that. I should have maybe just confusioned, but... happens. I was thinking about the chances, and it's like, considering how many turns I have to survive, I think having maxed out evasion is good. Compared to just going with +3. Why did it do so little damage? And they crit. Okay, sure. Okay, how did I survive the last time? I don't remember. Let's just go with fire. Scratch should do enough. And they use a super potion. I should have just used Ember. I didn't remember the fact that they have potions. Okay, this is gonna be 15 damage. Oh, 16 damage, I mean. Fine. Okay, we eat the berry. Okay, they die. No, they don't. I die. They just crit. Did Karate Chop have a higher chance of critting? Is that a thing? It feels like it. It really does feel like that. Aye. You don't change. But the good thing is that you level up even if you lose. So, you know, keep gambling. Super effective Astonish. And we don't have to waste PP for other moves. Oh, crit! Let's go. Do you have another potion? Do you want to maybe use it here? On a Pokemon that can't beat me? Let's go. Just gotta drain all the potions out. And they really only do Focus Punch, huh? Aye. Actually, just free XP. It's a pretty cool animation if it hits, but it's, I don't have a reason to let it hit me. Alright, 3 levels. Leaf is gonna evolve, I think, after this battle. We don't change. Astonish is gonna do like no damage. What about Absorb? Okay, it's also like nothing. The berry is actually meaningless. I'm just gonna die. Just spray to flinch. Flinch, please. Okay, he didn't flinch. Unlucky. Oh! I thought I had fire still alive, but it's this intern. He can't do much here. Yep. I think I'll deliver the letter to Steven and then try the gym again. Actually, let me think. Do I want to have flash? It's a bit... Nah, let's just do the letter. Bit of variety. Oh. Anyway, random battle. Let's go. It's a tentacle. Yep. I forgot you can get a fishing rod here in this town. Amogus was never cool. See, that's where you're wrong, right? When it was first, a thing, it was very cringe. But when people started getting sick of it, it became cool, at least to me. But see, this music is not Amogus. It's the normal post-battle music. And now we're back to Amogus. Also, I just realized, Leaf didn't evolve? Probably because we lost the fucking battle. I think they're supposed to evolve at level 16. So, that's something. I think I'll try to level them up in the cave so that they'll evolve, finally, into a Lombre. We absorb. Surely this was a tactical switch for a type advantage because I remember the trainer, and not because I want to level up this specific Amogus. It's gonna take years to get the level, holy hell. Oh. Earthquake? Okay, sure. Intentional, by the way. Surely. I didn't think it was gonna be swift and I was gonna, like, get their health slowly down. Oh, I was confusing nature power with hidden power. Yes. Dude, I'm stupid. Of course. Hidden power is the thing that's, like, decided by the Pokemon's fucking personality or something. And nature power is environment. Also, there's an item up here. I don't think there's anything here. Yep. There we go. Ay. Dude, the temptation to make an RPG game like this is so great. Oh, Zubat? Let's go. What is nature power here, actually? Shadow Ball. Interesting. Also, we're actually very close to leveling up. What the hell? How did it happen that fast? I genuinely, I could make an RPG game with it, right? Like, as long as I have entity rendering, And even the like environment rendering, it's very likely to turn into triangles because it's just so much faster. And I'm not really using the ray tracing for any like good benefits. But you know, we'll see what happens. But generally, just being able to just make the environments like in the game and then play it immediately, I love that shit. I'll shadow ball you. I mean, I don't think I make enough money for Nintendo to care. Right? I think that's gonna save me. Yeah, they are. I know. Well, I should use a repel. I feel like there's too many Amogus here. Too many imposters. Yeah, but I'm not saying that I'm gonna make even like a like a Pokemon type game. Just like some RPG, right? There we go. Did we get to see an evolution? Actually, no. Leaf evolved already, right? Earlier? In this same stream, and I forgot about it. Let's go. I actually forgot. That's amazing. W in front, I guess. We could level up Burb. True. A collaboration with Inner Sloth. So true. Well, I don't really need levels now. Oh, Aaron. Let's go. Aaron is a base Pokemon. Kinda want it. Can't do anything with the bird against the Aaron, though. I do have some finished games. Let me... But it's mostly experiments, and the finished game is like a jam game, you know? Let me mute that for a moment. Do this and this. You can see on my website, nearby.com, there's some articles, like there's the Voxel game. This is like a 7-day project that I participated in recently. It's like, you know, it's cool, I would say. And there's Cake Stacker, this is a jam game. Abyss Trail, this is a jam game. Oh, this is just a mod for Deep Rock Galactic. This is a game I made for fun. It's like very, very simple. But there's not like large scale like games that you would expect to be on Steam, right? I haven't made anything like that yet. This is a pretty dead project, it's kinda sad. And this is a precursor to the current project. But yeah. This is like the first larger scale project that eventually is gonna be something good, right? And there is another project that I probably will be a part of soon, which is exciting, I would say. I don't want to say anything yet about that, but it's something to look out for. Something to look out for sure. Actually, I want to do this. Yes. That. Let me do this. I still have the Voxel parkour game open in the background, I just noticed. Let me close that. Wait, if the Aaron survives, we'll catch it. Oh shit. I didn't think it would live with that much health. We're gonna get a bit lower. Not... let's fucking catch it, whatever. Great wall time. There we go. Aaron is such a base Pokemon though. Ooh, any name ideas? I kind of want to name it Real, just based on the chat that's currently there. If someone has a better idea, then I'll consider that. No, I didn't mean to do that. There we go. Real. I think this is a good name. We go with that. I meant to use a repel. I forgot. Anyway. We're gonna level up the burb and then use a repel. So true. So based. Real. I don't think I have anything else that does higher damage than Quick Attack. So we just spam. Oh no, my 1 health. Amogus. He's 69 XP. Let's go. Wing attack? Let's go! 60 power! Almost double of Peck. We don't need Growl. Yes. I'm just gonna fucking wreck the gym. Truly. Alright, now it's time to use Repel. Surely I was planning for that. Only 1 Repel? Okay. Oh, did I go the wrong way? For sure not. I did. There we go. Imagine not remembering. No, the repel wore off. I'm so fucking not going the right way. Or I'll lose the Everstone. Actually, I think I am going the right way. Bam. That. I wish I bought a repel before. Ay ay ay. Oh, let's just run. Our bird is fast. There we go. Yes! Finally. Alright, I'm hoping that I beat the gym the next try, because after that next try I'll probably have to go. Get wrecked. Steven, my beloved. Oh, Steel Wing? I don't think I can learn that yet. And even if I could, I don't really need a Steel type move for the gym. Not actually. I'm currently a student. And, basically the whole story is that I dropped out of Lucio some years ago just due to, like, being depressed and whatever. And I've been, yes. I've had a journey, and now I'm back in Lucio. That's the TLDR. But I've just been doing programming on my free time. Like, I don't know, it's like, if when I step into the job market, it's either gonna be programming, or then it's gonna be, like, working with people, like therapy, coaching, something like that. I really enjoy that. type of stuff. Oh, nice. I hope that goes well. Yeah, but like working with people, it's usually a nice experience for me. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see. What do we want? I guess I kind of want to go with the same strat. Start with W, try to do the evasion stuff. Actually, no, because that fucker is gonna bulk up, and that's gonna deal more damage to my burb. We just try to sweep with the burb. Yeah. My experience with this is that like if I speak to someone one-on-one, it's very, very rarely like a bad experience. You know? But if you're like trying to do something that's they're not interested in or something like that, then I could see that being like a bad experience. But yeah, group dynamics can suck. That's my take. Let's see. Tear through the Makuhita. Almost. And they bulk up. Cool. Alright, cleared. See you later. Yeah. I think most people still, like, they don't think of themselves as evil. Most people have a reason for doing what they're doing. And, you know, you can listen to them and, like, get to the bottom of, like, where they're coming from and stuff like that. At least, I think that's the case for most people. I'm a people believer. Oh, there's gonna be some potion spam. That's fine. I'd rather have the potions be drained here. I should have picked. Actually, this is still a perfect amount of damage. But I'll do pick. Because if I get a high roll there, then they die, I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's the same for P.E.K.K.A, I guess. Oh, okay, they're out of potions. Out of potions, that's good. My full team. Nobody's taking damage. I feel like I just need to go with this. I just try to sweep with burb. I'm faster, or they're doing wild throw. We do more than half. Okay. I'm really hoping they do another vital throw. Citrus berry, cringe. Oh, whatever. Crit, please? Nope. And I die. They shouldn't have potions, though. I think I tried to do... Actually, no, I don't have a reason to double team. I just... Reversal? No. 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 I should have switched. I should have switched and not tried to burb sweep. No. Okay. Are you flinch? Yes! Keep flinching. No! Now they're even stronger. I just needed another flinch. But if fire is faster, this is actually fine. Okay, we're fine. Let's go. The reversal does more damage the lower the HP is on the user. Pack? I think we take that instead of growl. Mm-hmm. I love people meeting each other in chat. It's great. There we go. This is excellent. Right on cue. Oh, you get to witness the evolution. One thing I wish is that they had a different music for the evolution. Because the original Emerald and Ruby and Sapphire music for the evolution is so pog. We just get blue balled and be listening the normal Amogus. Here we get double kick. It's 40. Do we need scratch for anything? I don't think we need scratch. Let's go. Time to get out of the gym. I'm gonna get into Slider. Actually, I was thinking, do I take the right to Sliderport? No, I think I was gonna save here. Save here and then see if there's anyone online that we can raid. I like the awkward silence with the 3 dots and then, like, registering each other on the fucking navigator. Save state. There we go. Game saved! And now we see... Who do we raid? Who do we raid? It's Code Red Games. I think we go there. There we go. We're going in. There's no raid message. Just be nice, follow their chat rules, and whatever. And yeah, I'm gonna see you later some other time. And also, actually, I just realized these links, these are important, I think. Yes. You can find the stream at nearpod.com/stream. You can find the VODs at, same link, but /archive. You can find the schedule at the same link, /schedule, and yada yada yada. And join the Discord. That's it. Have a good one. Bye-bye.